Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is the KMU MdCat repeat paper 2023. It was conducted on 26 November 2023. In this lecture, we will discuss the biology MCQs with their answer and the explanation. Question number 1 was in the biology portion. Cell death due to the tissue damage is called. So it is called the necrosis. That is also called the sudden death of the tissue. Autoclave chambers are used for the surgical instrument, so it is used for the sterilization. So sterilization is the process that is used for the removal of all types of the germs. The incubation period of the cycle is mainly it is 2 to 4 weeks. So here it is a 2 to 3 weeks. The best answer is 2 to 3 weeks. Muscle fatigue results due to deficiency of which and excess accumulation of which. तो it is due to the deficiency of adenosine triphosphate, ATP कम हो जाती है और लैक्टिक एसिड की accumulation हो जाती है, तो इस condition को हम muscle fatigue कहते हैं. Question number 5 was a male or female child of an affected mother has 50% chance of acquiring the disorder. Such a disorder is, तो जब 50% chance हो तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ तो it is X-linked dominant disorder. X-linked dominant disorder is the best answer. Question number 6 was which is the factory for the synthesis of sugar in the autotrophic eukaryotes? So it is the chloroplast, because chloroplast is responsible for the process of photosynthesis. The coenzyme is made up of, the coenzyme NAD is made up of, so it is a nucleotide. It is not a vitamin, so it is a nucleotide. निकोटीन अमाइन डाइन्यूक्लियोटाइड, निकोटीन अमाइन डाइन्यूक्लियोटाइड, तो ये एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड है. स्टोरेज डिजीजेस आर caused by the excessive accumulation of substances within the cell due to defects or mutation in one of the following enzyme. तो ये लाइसोसोमल एंजाइम की वजह से होता है. तो लाइसोसोमल एंजाइम में कोई भी एंजाइम जब एबनॉर्मल होगा तो उससे स्टोरेज डिजीज होगी. तो बेस्ट आंसर क्या है? लाइसोसोमल एंजाइम्स. फंक्शन ऑफ न्यूक्लियोलस इज टू फॉर्म, तो न्यूक्लियोलस का मेजर फंक्शन है आरएनए सिंथेसिस. सो राइबोसोमल आरएनए सिंथेसिस, राइबोसोमल आरएनए सिंथेसिस, आरआरएनए. A shallow groove in the cerebrum is called dash and the deep groove is called the dash. So shallow groove is called the sulcus and the deep groove is called the fissure. What brings membrane potential to threshold? तो इसका जो आंसर है वो ऑप्शन नंबर ए है. इनफ्लक्स ऑफ सोडियम आयन अक्रॉस द पोस्ट साइनेप्टिक मेम्ब्रेन. जब सोडियम आयन इनफ्लक्स होता है तो फिर थ्रेशोल्ड क्रिएट होता है. What alters the shape of enzyme and makes them functional? तो shape of enzyme को cofactor alter करते हैं, cofactor change करते हैं. Which of the following is known as the vessels of the vessel? तो vessels के अंदर छोटी vessels होते हैं, उसको उनको हम vesa vasarum कहते हैं. Which of the following is true about the occurrence of the erythroblastosis fetalis? तो erythroblastosis fetalis होगा जब मदर RH नेगेटिव होगा और फादर RH पॉजिटिव होगा. तो उसमें कभी ऑप्शन होता है मदर और फीटस का, तो उसमें भी मदर RH नेगेटिव हो, फीटस RH पॉजिटिव होगा. तो इस केस में मदर RH नेगेटिव और फादर RH पॉजिटिव. MCQ number 15 was all are the properties of water excluding. इनमें सारे वाटर की प्रॉपर्टीज है. यूएच सॉल्वेंट भी है, पोलर इन नेचर भी है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग भी है. तो बिकम डेंसर व्हेन इट फ्रीज. जब फ्रीज करते हैं तो इसकी डेंसिटी कम होती है. तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Thymus gland is involved in the maturation of which of the following? So thymus, that is for the T lymphocytes. Which component is present only in the cell wall of the gram-positive bacteria but not in the gram-negative bacteria? तो it is the teichoic acid. Teichoic acid gram-positive में होता है और gram-negative में नहीं होता. In breastfeeding mothers, which hormone would be at an increased level? तो breastfeeding mothers में prolactin जो है ना ये increased level पर होता है. Mendel's law of independent assortment can be explained by behavior of the chromosome in the meiosis. क्योंकि इसमें independent assortment होती है तो independent assortment always meiosis में ही हम उसको consider कर सकते हैं, उसको explain कर सकते हैं. Which of the following is rod shape virus? तो tobacco mosaic virus एक rod shape virus है. Glucose is classified as a monosaccharide. Which of the following is the opposite of the condensation reaction? कंडेंसेशन में क्या होता है कि दो मोनोमर मिलते हैं, एक पॉलीमर बनता है और वाटर रिलीज होता है, तो उसका अपोजिट जो है वो हाइड्रोलिसिस रिएक्शन है, जिसमें वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ऐड होता है और ब्रेकडाउन होती है. The cell of the non-virulent strain of the Streptococcus pneumonia are, तो जो नॉन virulent strain Streptococcus के हैं ये नॉन कैप्सुलेटेड होंगे और रफ होंगे, आर टाइप के होंगे. The total number of cranial nerves in the human body are, these are 12 pairs. Enzymes are the proteins in nature. कुछ एंजाइम होते हैं जो आरएनए होंगे, राइबोजाइम है, मतलब वो एक्सेप्शनल केस है, लेकिन मेनली मोस्टली एंजाइम्स आर प्रोटीन इन नेचर. Who proposed the concept that an organism can pass an acquired modification to its offspring? तो it is a remark. Cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cell क्या करते हैं? Directly kill the invaders. इसलिए इनको बोलते हैं cytotoxic T cells. A bacterium with single polar flagellum is called monotrichous. The genome of human immunodeficiency HIV virus is the RNA. Hip giant and the shoulder giants are the example of ball and socket giant. Locus of a gene on a chromosome means position of the gene. Option number A. Carotenoids absorb light in the visible spectrum between dash and dash, so it is 500 and 600. The cells of the endoderm of certain traits are specialized for digestion. Viruses are not classified based on the cell membrane, क्योंकि viruses के पास cell membrane नहीं होती. An additional covering surrounds the cell wall of some bacteria that either prevents the bacteria from being phagocytosed by host cell or helps them to make biofilm. Which of the following term is used for this covering? चूंकि ये broad definition पूछी है तो इसके लिए ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स बेस्ट आंसर होगा. कैप्सूल ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स का ही टाइप है जिसमें जो ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स फर्मली अटैच उसको हम बोलते हैं कैप्सूल, स्लाइम लेयर में लूजली बाउंड होता है. तो चूंकि ग्लाइकोकैल इसने पूछा हुआ है फेगोसाइटोज और सारी बातें बायोफिल्म फॉर्मेशन, तो ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स इसमें आंसर हम ठीक करेंगे. तो बेस्ट आंसर इज द सी, ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स. शुगर कोट कहते हैं इसको. The protein coat surrounding the genome of the virus is called capsid. In the non-cyclical transport of the reaction, dash electrons are in the chlorophyll absorb energy. तो इसका आंसर होगा 2. ठीक है. What is the number of carbon atoms in the pyruvic acid? pyruvic acid में 3 कार्बन होते हैं. Sucrose is a disaccharide, तो जब ये हाइड्रोलाइज होगा तो इससे ग्लूकोज और फ्रक्टोज बनेंगे. Dash is the heat required to convert a gram of the water into vapors at its boiling point. So it is a heat of vaporization. Which mode of genetic exchange between bacteria involve cell-to-cell contact between the bacterial cell? तो it is called the conjugation. इसके लिए पिल्लाई हेल्प करती है, तो conjugation is the best answer. MCQs है. Dash mediates the selective permeability of the plasma membrane, allowing movement of the molecules according to the needs of the cell. तो membrane protein इसका आंसर है. The neuron is said to be polarized when inside of the plasma membrane has negative charge composed to the outside. Which part of the brain play a key role in the long-term memory? So hippocampus play an important role in the long-term memory. Which are the following example of hydrolase? तो इनमें phosphatase जो है, sorry, phosphatase is the best answer. All of the following are true about the neutrophil except the neutrophils are made by the thymus gland. No, neutrophils are not made by the thymus gland. These are made by the bone marrow cells. According to the new Darwinism, which of the following is cause of evolution? So reproduction, isolation is cause of the evolution. Darwin origin of species by natural selection is mainly concerned with the speciation. Sinoarterial node is located in the dash wall of the right atrium, upper dorsal wall of the right atrium. 50 MCQs. Where does the trachea lies in relation to the esophagus? So trachea lies at the ventral side. Which of the following is true about the bradykinin? So it produces at the site of the tissue injury. Which of the following is the prokaryote? So E. coli is a prokaryote, Escherichia coli. Endospore formation is a vegetative process. Which among the following is not the role of the Sertoli cell? So Sertoli cell do not play an important role in the secretion of testosterone. तो testosterone Leydig cell से produce होते हैं. At the beginning of the menstrual phase, the dash are at the lowest level. Ovarian hormones. Which cartilage found at the end of the long bones? तो hyaline cartilage is the best answer. कहता है how many actin filaments surround the myosin at each end? So it is a 6. Where when are the RH antibodies produced in the RH negative person? तो ये जब exposure होता है after exposure to RH factor. Which of the following types of hemophilia is more common in the human population? So hemophilia A is more common. MCQ number 60 was parazoa are simple multicellular animals which are believed to have evolved from the protist. Which structure is responsible for the excretion in arthropods? So Malpighian tubules. Alternation of generation is the character of the phylum Coelentrates. Which of the following can be effective in preventing viral infection in human? It is mainly by getting vaccination. So get vaccinated. Purines are the double ring nitrogenous bases. What is the flavin adenine dinucleotide? It is a coenzyme. Cerebellum primarily concerned with the balancing during active movement. Adding substrates will not make a difference to the enzyme catalyzed reaction when few enzyme molecules are left unsaturated. All animals begin life as a single fertilized egg that is called zygote. Thank you so much. This is all about the MdCat KMU MdCat 2023 paper. This paper will helpful to all the students, to all the aspirants of the MdCat for the future preparation. Thank you so much. Best of luck for your future exam.